Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Thermostat SP for Vulcan Hart part #00-944298. -000. A thermostat is a device used to regulate the temperature of a space or system. The Vulcan Hart part #00-944298-000 is a thermostat specifically designed for use with Vulcan Hart commercial cooking equipment. This thermostat is designed to control the temperature of the equipment and ensure that it remains within a safe range. It features an adjustable temperature range from 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, and it has an adjustable differential of 5 degrees Fahrenheit. The thermostat also includes a manual reset button, which allows users to reset the temperature if needed. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a thermostat for a Vulcan Hart commercial oven. It is used to regulate the temperature of the oven and fix any issues with temperature control. Here is how you install this part. -0001. Shut off the power to the unit at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the existing thermostat from the wall. 3. Disconnect all wires from the existing thermostat and label them for reference when connecting to the new thermostat. 4. Connect the wires to the new thermostat according to the wiring diagram provided with your Vulcan Hart part #00-944298-000 thermostat. 5. Mount the new thermostat onto the wall using screws or other mounting hardware as needed. 6. Turn on power to unit at circuit breaker and test operation of new thermostat by setting temper. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.